Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you my review of the SwingU Golf app. So in this video, I'm going to review what the app is, what you can find inside, and why it can be helpful for people who play golf. So SwingU Golf is an app made for golfers who want a simple way to track their game and get helpful information while playing. So when you open the app, you can use it to find golf courses, check distances, and keep track of your score. So this is useful because instead of guessing how far you are from the green, the app can give you a better idea of your distance. So one of the main things to review in this app is the GPS feature. So this can help you see yardages on the course, which is helpful when choosing which club to use. So the app also has a scorecard feature, so you can record scores during your round and look back at your performance after playing. And another good thing about SwingU is that it feels simple enough to use. The layout is very easy to follow, and the features are focused on what golfers usually need during a game. It can be helpful for beginners who want guidance, but it can also be useful for regular players who want to track their progress. And overall, SwingU Golf is a helpful golf app if you want GPS distances, score tracking, and basic tools in one place. It may not replace real practice, but it can make your round more organized and easier to follow. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.